Sorry for the interruption. Let's continue. At a quality control laboratory in a furniture factory, the reliability of a blade of a cutting saw is tested by pulling it up and down 100 times through a wood. By pressing the switch S1, the testing process is started and the lamp H1 comes on as a result. Anytime the blade is completely pulled down, the limit switch is pressed. At the end of a cycle, the test is stopped. The cycle can also be stopped at any time by means of a stop switch S0. When the test is restarted, 100 times up and down movement of the blade is counted afresh. Okay, so which of the following diagrams correctly describes the operation of the saw? Question 46. The answer is C. Let us explain why is the answer C. So when you look at it, the saw is started when your start push button I0.1 is pressed, and your saw the operation of the saw can be brought to a stop either by your stop push button I0.0, or when the counter is done counting. So the counter address is also coming in at M10.1. Okay, so 46, the answer is C. 47, the operation of the lamp. From the question, you see what was said about the lamp. When the testing process is started, the lamp H1 comes on as a result. Okay, so question 47, the operation of the lamp is described by D. When you press your start push button, your lamp comes on. Okay, and it can be turned off by your stop push button. So 47 is D. 48, which of the following correctly describes the operation of the counter C1? 48, the answer is D. Okay, how this counter works is that it is set by your start push button. Okay, and then how the counting is done by your limit switch I0.2. So every time the limit switch is pressed, then a count is done, a count of 1 is made. Okay, and it's preset, the count value is 100, and it can be brought to a stop by a stop push button. So 48 answer is D. 49, which of the following has its output going off immediately after the set value goes to logic 0? Okay, the answer for this is your on delay. Okay, 49, the answer is B. Okay, now in the car park sensors, B1 and B2 are installed at the entrance and exit respectively. Okay, and you have all of this when lamp H1 comes on when the car park is empty, H2 comes on when it has between 1 to 9 people, and H3 comes on to say that it's full with 10 cars. So which of the following correctly describes the operation of lamp H3? So for a question like this, we'll use comparators. So lamp H3, we are going to compare a value which stores the number of the number of cars in the park, and compare it to 10. If it is equal to, as with the comparator we have here, question 50, by the way, question 50's answer is D. Okay, if it is equal, then you have your lamp H3, which is Q 4.3 coming on. Okay, so that's all for this particular set of questions. We'll continue in a bit with another set.